Hey, this is how you change the slow jets on a Cb750 keyhole carburetor. You will need JIS screwdriver, 3mm Allen key if you have changed your hardware, dental pick, pliers, paper towel. First remove the float bowls. Watch out for the accelerator pump O-ring on carb number 2. Use a dental pick to push out pin and remove floats. Protect the slow jet with paper towel and use pliers to pull them out. Replace the slow jets with your desired size and press in. You should feel a slight click when you press them in with your finger. Use the end of your pliers or screwdriver to press in snug. Replace all floats and replace the bowls. For number 2 carburetor, remove accelerator pump sleeve and slide onto shaft. With a dental pick, work the sleeve down while pushing up and down on the float bowl until it seats. Then tighten down and replace the rest of the bowls.